Hey there, Thomas. So, in the question that you had, you're just unsure about PV and PMT. PV in the financial solver, I'm just going to clear this page here. We're going to go to menu and where is it again? Finance solver. And I'm just going to screenshot this so we can talk about what each and every one of these mean. When you're dealing with this type of question, or in general, what you need to understand is that it matters which one is going to be negative and positive for your solving problem. And so, in this example, you've got the total amount, so the amount of $150,000 is borrowed for 25 years. Okay, so it's 25 years is the length. Interest rate, that's pretty easy. That's per annum. So we know that I, which is the interest rate per annum, this is 6.85, clearly, right? The amount PV is the initial amount that you borrow. So if you borrow, this is where, depending on what type of problems you get, if you're borrowing, and so think of it as if the bank, I'm going to call it bank, and this is you, if the bank gives you money, and I think this is what this section up here is telling you, if the bank gives you money, so like loans and all that, they're giving you money. So you're getting lots of dollars here. So in the textbook and in the part of the study design, the way we teach it is that if money is in your current hands, okay, you've got $150,000 right now to play with, that's a positive, okay? Whereas in reality is that it's actually you owe them money, right? But right now you've got the cash. So unless you're paying them back, so when you're paying them back, you're losing money. So this is considered a negative flow because this money is flowing out of you to go to the bank, right? So PMT talks about payment. PV talks about the amount that you borrow. So in our case, it would be $150,000 positive, okay? Because I'm borrowing it. I'm getting that amount at the moment. Now on this loan, it's for 25 years and it says compounded monthly. So monthly, we know that in 1 year, there are 12 months. So that means that in 1 year, it will compound 12 times in a year. So if I'm going to do it 25 years, it's going to be 12 times a year, right? But for 25 years, so 12 times 25. That's the number. N is the number of compounding on the number of payments that it happens in that cycle. Payment, well, they haven't really talked about payment at the moment. They're asking you to find that in part A. What are the monthly payments? So I don't know what my monthly payments are, and FV is obviously the final amount. So assuming that I'm going to pay it all off in 25 years, well, then you can kind of figure out. So if you pay it all off, obviously, then you have $0. Yeah, there's no more 150,000. You owe them nothing as well. So that way you can then solve for PMT. So if I go to my CAS, I go 12 times 25. Oh, I don't know what happened. Why is my... Okay, 25. Oh, that's weird. I can't type. Huh, I don't know what happened. That's weird. Menu 8. I think it's lagging. 8, 1. 20. Oh, this is so odd. I can't seem to type. Any clues? Okay. Let's try typing. Oh, I'm not sure what's happened here. Yeah, so if you just type, yeah, I'm not sure what's happened with my keyboard. It's not type. I can't type any numbers. That's weird. Yeah, to answer your question there, if you press enter button on the PMT with all these parameters, with this being 0, make sure to change PPY to 12. That's number of payments per year, and we're doing 12 payments per year. And then CPY should also be 12. Then you should be able to answer the first question. Very sorry about this video. Can you let me know if that's answered your question? and let me know what you'd like me to sort of clarify in this, and I'll try to get my keyboard sorted at the moment. Okay.